Alright, scholars, let's look at first, I'm going to move this over just a second. Let's do this first set of 4, so this is still day 1, and then the next video we'll look at day 2. Okay, so I'll start with the planning and then we'll start with our diagram. So the kids on our block and their dogs annoy my mother. Immediately I look for these prep phrases that I have here, so I have on our block. Thinking about my subjects, who's doing the work, so kids, the kids, and the dogs are doing the work too. So my second subject or compound subject, and it's their dogs. And then what do? They annoy. Okay, so that's my predicate verb. And remember, whom do they annoy? They annoy mother. Mother's the direct object. Remember, the direct object can answer who, or what. Okay, whom or what, I'm sorry. Okay, and it's my mother. The coordinating conjunction linking those is and. So immediately when I kind of look back from my planning, I'm thinking I have 2 subjects. So that's where I'm going to have my rocket ship. So if I just kind of did my planning here, I put my line down, and I'm going to start my rocket ship here because this is where I have my 2 subjects. Do my dotted line down, and I have kids, dogs. Okay, it is the kids. All right, it is the kids on our block, because it's describing which kids on block are, and it is their dogs. Okay, and they annoy. Whom do they annoy? Mother, and it's my mother. Okay, so that's what your diagram should look like there. Let's do our next one, okay? I ordered you a large Coke and a cheeseburger with onions. Immediately I noticed this prep phrase with onions. I noticed my subject, I. What did I do? Ordered. So then I always start to ask myself, what did I order? I ordered Coke, so that's a direct object. And I ordered cheeseburger, so I have 2 DOs here, all right? So I ordered large Coke and a Coke. I ordered a cheeseburger, and the cheeseburger was with onions. I noticed that I have a coordinating conjunction linking these 2 DOs, and then I ordered it for whom? For you. So this is my IO. This is you received the Coke and the cheeseburger. So let me do some planning here. I know I only have 1 subject, so that's where my I goes. And I have 2 DOs, so that's where my rocket ship's going to go. So I'm going to have I ordered. Okay, I have a DO, so I've got to put my line there like I normally did, and this is where my rocket ship goes because there's 2 DOs here. Put my dotted line down, and I'm going to have Coke, cheeseburger. Oh, you know what I just noticed on this first one? I left out the prep phrase. I needed to put, the conjunctions. I need to put and in there. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so I have a Coke, a large Coke. I have a cheeseburger, and it's a cheeseburger with, okay, onions. So it's kind of tight there. Okay, I'll squeeze that in. And is the coordinating conjunction linking those. And I ordered it for you. So I can leave that blank like I could before. I could put a pretend for in parentheses. Alright guys, we just have 2 more to go on this video. So we danced, laughed, and sang until midnight. We is our subject now. Danced is what we did. Laughed is what we did. Sang is what we did. So we have a coordinating conjunction linking those 3 verbs together. So I'm going to circle that. And until is a prep. So until midnight is my prep phrase. Now here's the thing that's tough. We did all of these things until midnight. So look here. This has to somehow go under all of them. Okay, so let me show you how you're going to do that. You have your we over here because that's normal. Okay, but we said this prep phrase applies to all 3 of these. So normally your prep phrase would have gone directly under your verb. Here's what you do. You leave a little bit of space here. We're going to come back to that. And then you start your rocket ship for your 3 verbs. So I have danced, laughed, sang. And the coordinating conjunction linking those is and. But I'm just missing that phrase. But I need this to apply to all of these. So I put it here. Until midnight, because this prep phrase goes to all of those verbs. So it's going to kind of stand here on its own. Alright guys, your last one. We not only baked a cake, but we also made our own frosting. So we is our subject noun. What did we do? Well, we baked and we made. Okay? What did we bake? Cake. A cake. What did we make? Frosting. Oh, it was our own frosting and it was our frosting. Now here we have correlative conjunctions linking these. Not only, but also. Okay? So I'm going to come down here to this space to do the diagram just because I've run out of room. And so the thing I have two of are two verbs and I have two DOs. So let's see what we're going to do. So we have we, all right, and I'm already going to start my rocket ship. So I have my two verbs that I'm going to put on here. So baked and made. So we baked what? Cake. A cake. We made what? Frosting. It was our frosting and it was our own frosting. Now I have correlative conjunctions linking those. So I'm going to put not only, but also. And that's the end of your diagram. Alright, I hope that video worked out. There's a day 2 video right underneath this if you want to look at that one as well. Have a great day, guys.